Morning.
Morning. Morning.
Is that Johnny Epic?
I don't know. Maybe. Could be. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Why'd they close the door on me, dude? That's so rude.
Oh, they locked us out, dude. Morning.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another epic episode of the Epic Vlog Series. I'm one of your hosts, Eric Heine. Today, we're watching this Lexus PPF job for Jamie over there. Setting everything up. Yeah.
My name's Emiliano from Rip City Tint. Right now we're doing a visor on this goddamn Honda Accord right here. 8-inch, that's what the customer wanted. We usually do 6 inches, but we're doing an 8-inch. He's cutting it out right now. The next process is gonna be spray it, scrub it, and then squeegee it from the inside, get it cleaned up, and install it from the inside. People always ask, does the tint go on the outside? No, we get the shape, form, everything from the outside, cut it out, and then install it. It goes from the inside. We got that Subaru over there. I just cut out the front two. We're gonna be installing right now. Same process. Scrub it, squeegee, clean it, spray it, same thing. That's really it, that's really it.
All right, we have this Lexus in. It's a brand new Lexus. It's I forgot what it is. NX 450H Plus, the big name. But we don't have the program for the PPF, the pattern of it in the program. That's where we're at with this. They have it? Yeah. They got it. It's in there. It's in there. Like somewhere. Yeah, she searched the newer word, no newer one. Nice, let's do this. Alright guys, we have this Mazda in for a full express detail plus shampoo on the seats. Let me see how bad it is on the inside. No, it's not too bad. Just a quick in and out detail. He's supposed to be working, but look at him. Wild, huh? Yeah, don't worry about it. Pull it, pull it, pull it. There you go. You need to go to the gym.
What she's trying to say is we go gym!
All right, and then Blaine is doing an interior on this van. He's still on his phone, but it's cool, whatever. But let's check it out. Yuck. And then some stains we cannot remove, so we'll do our best.
Play it. No, turn it around. No.
We just bought it.
It happens, bro.
It doesn't happen.
It sure does. That's proof right there.
It's like we use our stuff every single day. It's weird, dude.
You repairing that?
Hold on, yeah. Let me get some gloves.
Stick a diaper on it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's scraped and it started like leaking. So now he's being Dr. Lemon. Dr. Lemon.
Dr. Lemon.
I think we're good, dog.
He never comes in here, doesn't know what the going on. Then he complains that nothing gets done, but he doesn't even know what's going on.
What?
What? Exactly. Oh, the depth of field. Yeah, that's what's crazy.
I got everything.
Look at that.
Johnny, about that time, dude.
That's good. That's good. We have another car in right now. We have a BMW X5 in. Go ahead and check out how dirty it is. The whole side's dirty as hell, as you can tell. All the door jam will get taken care of. All this. Same with inside here. Quick interior detail in and out. So yeah. Ready?
You know, Johnny, uncaptured footage, they'll probably put you behind bars.
Probably. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean guys' emblems. We use our just normal wheel acid with the brush. As you guys can see, the emblem's very, very dirty. So what we do after we wash the car, we go ahead and just spray it down. And that's it, and then rinse it off.
Don't leave me here! My house!
God.
You hear Johnny? You hear Johnny? I'm talking
Go to
shit.
Facebook, Instagram.
I already did that. This morning I already did that.
No.
Yes. I was yelling at him. Always yelling at him. Guy Johnny. Never liked him. Guy Johnny. Always yelling. He comes in, doesn't say good morning, nothing. He's like, what you doing? Rude. Hurts my heart. Hurts my heart. Put this at the end of each video. I want everybody to know how Johnny is. Here's it. Look, you looked at it. No, Johnny's always bugging, always yelling, always doing shit.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go over some pros and cons of mobile detailing versus having a location here. I started out with the mobile, out of the trunk of my car. Then I had all that in a shop, but the shop took over, so I got rid of the vans, and that funded pretty much this bigger shop that we're in. But yeah, I have some few notes here that I want to go over when it comes to mobile detailing. Some pros is being mobile. The client, you come to their house, their work, wherever it is. But at the same time, you got to figure out the water situation. If there's no water there, then you have to have water in your van, generator, power, all that stuff. Another thing is you can't offer services a little bit cheaper than you can for a detail shop. Our prices are what normal prices are for a shop compared to other mobile guys around here. But at the same time, a lot of those mobile guys are like, they pop out of nowhere, then if the weather gets bad. That's another con when it comes to mobile detailing, the weather. If you book somebody for next week and it starts raining, then you can keep rebooking them, or else they're gonna go find a shop to go to because they want to get it done faster. That's another con, and that sucked when I was mobile. I always had to figure out ways to at least go do cheaper work for dealerships, instead of getting the high-end retail clients. And another pro is the equipment you guys have when it comes to mobile versus a shop. Mobile, you can have fewer things, so it's gonna be a lot cheaper. You can buy less quantity of products, when it comes to it, when it comes to a gallon of it or 5 gallons of chemicals. For mobile, you are limited work, so you can only offer a certain amount of services compared to what we can here. As well as limited space, so it's kind of hard for you to get there with all your stuff as well. And then the pros for mobile detailing pretty much is cheaper overhead. So you really just have either, if you finance your van, you can have that as payment, or if you have something that's paid off, then obviously you have to have insurance. When I was mobile, it was cheap. It was like 60 bucks a month just to get garage keepers insurance. At least you're safe there. And also another pro when it comes to mobile detailing, it does save your client time. You take some time out of the day to come drop it off, check in, get a ride back, come back later, So that's another thing compared to mobile detailing. the client can just get home, you pull up, they do their own thing. Then let's talk about shop. There's a lot more pros with here. Pretty much we are able to offer way more services. Now that we have a shop, we can include window tinting, PPF, coatings. When it comes to coatings, I see some of the mobile detailers offer coatings. That's not really good to do one coating in one day. I feel like that's rushing it. And that's why I'd rather not do that as a mobile service, just quick details. I think you make more money that way. You can do a lot more work when it comes to having a shop. You know, so we get like today, we have like 6 details, 4 or 5 window tints that all came in. We can just have the cars waiting, we'll bust them out, boom, boom, boom. And then another pro about having a shop location is walk-ins. People can discover you that way instead of mobile. You have to get found either by Google or word of mouth. Here, a lot of people always tell us that, oh, I just found you because I drove by, which that's a big thing as well. And your crew as well, that's another pro. You can have a lot more people working for you compared to mobile. You know, if you're not that busy, then you can have at least 2, let's say, maybe 3 guys, have 2 of you go one job, the other 3rd guy does another job. You know, that way you can bust more work out. And some cons when it comes to this is overhead is expensive here. Rent is very expensive. And another con is city rules. You know, when you have a shop location, the city knows you're here, and they'll come check you out. Like for me, they came here pretty much and told, hey, you gotta stop washing cars inside because we do have a drain inside. We wash cars inside, but the drain goes outside to the parking lot drain, goes to the whatever creek. So what we did is we created a mold out of fiberglass, and then we put that in there, and now the water collects, and we have a pump. And believe it or not, they say it's okay to dump it into the sink. So we did that, and they came here, and we got approved. It's called compliance. So yeah, just make sure you guys are good wherever you guys live at. Some counties are very, very strict about that. So another con is, yeah, you can have a lot of crew members here as a pro, but the con is the taxes you gotta pay on it. On payroll, each person, how much an hour they are, plus taxes, all that adds up. Here, it's a lot of money to maintain this shop location. So I gotta obviously make more than that to be a profitable company, to be able to grow. And you know, some months suck, some months are way better, you know, so that's what comes with living in the Pacific Northwest where the weather sucks. It rains a lot and then it gets sunny, then we get busy, then it gets sunny, or sorry, rains a lot, yeah. So it's a whole thing here. Luckily we've been able to, you know, keep steady, grow a lot every year after year. We grow money-wise and crew members and all that stuff. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for the pros and cons from my point of view. You know, I started from the trunk of my car, grew to this 4,500 square foot shop. All right, so yeah, if you're a mobile detailer, you know, I suggest you guys get a shop. You know, it might cost you more in the long run, but it's worth it. It makes you work harder. You know, make sure you guys figure out what you guys want. If detailing is your thing, just recommend doing both. You know, if one works out, maybe the other one doesn't, you know, and then, you know, it is kind of hard to figure out what you want to do unless you go actually try it. All right guys, thank you for tuning in to another video of Epic Auto Detailing Vlogs, where we show you guys behind the scenes stuff here. Today was very busy. We have a lot of walk-ins, a lot of scheduling for PPF, window tint especially. We had like about 3 or 4 window tints that were just walk-ins that we were able to just get them in last minute. And I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we gotta see you guys on the next one.